All right, hey, it's Mike here, and you're probably wondering what the goal is of the performers. That way you can be in line with it, focus on it with me, and we can build something great together. So I want to share with you how the Performers Mastermind, this free group that we have, is going to absolutely make a huge difference, not only for you, but for everybody inside of the community and myself. This is a powerful thing that we're all going to be doing together. It's the make once mantra. It's everything that we're focused on. And I just want to share it with you real quick. I think it's important that we all know which direction that we're heading. So first and foremost, the goal is to help people help people. My goal has always been to just make an impact, right? Like, how can I take my time here on earth, master something that other people need to know, want to know, to get where they want to get? That's the whole point here, right? So I want to help people help people. I want to help you get so good at being able to help your customers, because when that happens, it's a compounding effect that is unlike anything else. 2 people can help 4 people, 4 people can help 8 people. It's unbelievable. So that's goal number 1, help people help people. I'm going to do this by showing you how to get attraction, get attention, take that attraction and attention and convert it into customers, or in other words, people that you've helped with your solution. And then I want to show you how to take your products and turn them into masterpieces so that you can become the absolute best at what it is that you do and profit. Next, RAM equals happiness, love, and profit. So RAM, research, okay? Research all the areas that you need to know and understand to become the absolute best. Apply those findings and practice them. It's like study, practice, teach, right? Research, be the best, know your craft, apply it, use it, practice it, gain that wisdom and experience through doing. Mentor others, teach a man to fish, okay? That's what it's about. And when we do that, we create our happiness for not only our customers, but ourselves. We create love by giving to the world, and it gives back to us in compound. And then profit, not only profiting in money, but profiting in time, because we can use that money to buy time. We can use that money to do better research, to apply better, to mentor better, to reach more people. You can do more rich than you can poor. You can help more people rich than you can poor. The only way to get rich is by solving people's problems. So it's a beautiful thing. Next, if I help 1,000 people get to 100,000 a month, I'll help over 1 million people have a better life. That is important. I hope it's important to you. And I think this is a great goal. You would like to have 1,000 true fans, 1,000 pure true fans, because those 1,000 fans have 1,000 friends, okay? Each of them have one powerful friend that believes in them and probably loves the same thing that they love or wants to know the same thing that they want to know. So 1,000 is 2,000, and that next 1,000, those 2,000 people all have a friend that's the same way. So now we're at 3,000. You see how this compounds. So I want to help 1,000 people hit 100,000 a month. Next, I want to master the more with less mindset. I read this book called Essentialism, changed my life forever, and I started focusing on just what really absolutely must happen to get the most impact, nothing more, nothing less. So it's like, how can we get more with less? How can we help more people spending less time so that we have more time for our loved ones and ourselves, or working on other projects to make bigger impacts? How can we use less effort to get more profit? How can we automate? How can we delegate to automation? How can we take this technology and enlist it into our lives so that it gives us more time to RAM, right? That's the whole thing that I am really focused on, is mastering more with less. Delegate to automation. We can delegate to other people, enrich their lives, giving them the ability to earn. Powerful. And I want to create art that matters. If anything lasts through time, it's art. Art can be videos. Art can be pictures. It can be sounds. It can be courses and masterminds that keep living on and on and on, making true impact. I love art. As you can see, my pictures that I create here, my wall over here, everything is like, art is a lie that helps us tell the truth. That was Picasso. And if anything survives, it's art. Okay, look at the pyramids, right? Look at the things through time that have impacted our perspectives and beliefs. It was something somebody made. So I hope you make great art, and I hope your art matters. I hope it inspires. That's the goal here. Help people help people. RAM, help 1,000 people hit 100,000 a month. Master more with less and create art that matters. I hope this impacts you. I hope this helps you, and I can't wait to keep on doing that.